Not that there's working. Okay, go. Name?
My name is Nicholas.
Where you stay? Where you from?
Lawndale, California.
What we got going on here?
So here we have what was once a Razor E300 electric scooter, which we've converted to a gas-powered electric scooter. So we have an 80cc mini bike motor from the Monster Moto mini bikes you get at Walmart. This is the stock engine they come with. So I put it on the electric scooter frame, and I've adapted a 35 chain size sprocket on the side and put a Razor pocket mod brake with a bigger drum for better braking. And I did have to cut some parts of the frame to get the chain to fit, but that has worked out really good.
How'd you do that, with the torch or a hacksaw?
Just the grinder.
Grinder.
Thin wheel grinder.
Right.
And then I still have to twist the muffler around, because when you buy these engine stock, the muffler faces this way.
Yeah.
You're sitting, your legs here, so.
You'd be burning yourself.
Yeah. Yeah, but I'm squatting. But, other than that, I get about like 35 miles an hour, 25, depending on, hill slopes, whether it's straight downhill, uphill. But usually level, it's like 35.
One time ever give you a hard time? Bust you?
Oh, the cops? Nah.
You
Not
good?
on this one. Nah, I'm good. As long as you wear a helmet and you're going the speed limit and you stay on the side like those bikes do, you don't go in traffic, you're good to go.
You ever be hitting the balls in the skate park on it?
Oh, no. No, I built because I built a different version. I built it was the blue one, but I built another one. And it had a Briggs & Stratton 3 horsepower on it. And that one with the Briggs & Stratton, that was a prototype version of what this is now.
What if somebody wants to get one? How would they reach you?
My contact information, I do have Instagram, Nick Burton 4.
Say it again.
Nick Burton 4, that is my Instagram.
Word.
And Nicholas Burton, so Burton 2 times. That's my Facebook, Nicholas Burton.
Straight out of SoCal.
Yes, sir.
Word. Lawndale?
Yeah, Lawndale, California.
Word.
Yeah.
Thank you. I'll send you the